Greetings everyone. Today we have this platform called Userback, and this is the best user feedback software. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So make sure to give it a try. Now talking about this platform, you can see we are inside its dashboard and we have various features in here, like for example your components, your general feedbacks, report a bug. So everything is going to be displayed in here. Now on the top you can see your target, so you can add your domains, segments, pages, your devices, like for example desktop, tablet, mobile, so you can get your feedback on various different devices as well. If you head over to your preview, it is going to be showing you the site that you are basically making, or it is ready. Now currently it is loading. If we head back, you will be able to see that we also have this install option, and currently we need a domain to get this working. Now on the right side you can see your component. So the first thing is header. Of course, if you drop down this, you are going to be uploading a logo, message. So because you are customizing your page, you can totally add these stuff. You have your general feedback in here, so if you want to edit this form, you can add different type of stars and interactive sessions or components in here. You can see we can simply enter the fields and information in here. We can add a screenshot, screen recording, and attach the file, so this is going to be displayed on our page. Also, we can delete different components using the right side of this control panel. If we go back, you can see we have our feedback and different type of different components as well, so you can add anything that you like. And in the appearance you will be able to see that different text boxes, icons, do not use an icon if you want to do that. So currently a feedback is added, so you got the point, right? Now for some reason, if you are still unsure about the platform, you can see on G2 they have official reviews about this site and mostly love it, use it every day. Userback is an excellent solution for web app development, so on and so forth. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description, and you can get yourself exclusive benefits and rewards as well extended free trial. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.